Honda guy, huh?
And what else you got over here?
That's a Kawasaki LTD 650 or 750.
Okay.
That's a, or no, is that the LTD?
It's a GS 450. Really, you just tuck both these together. If we can get these up.
That's just as much as you got.
And he used to have one like this, but it was all chopped out, and his starter, his button went out, and we had to do this every time he started the bike.
Probably the
Shit
screwdriver,
sucked.
that's how he started. It was the most ghetto thing in the world.
At least it started.
Yeah.
That's true.
It started.
I worked for a $1 million landscape company, and they send me out with a lawnmower. You have to reach back, short it out, and turn the key at the same time.
Just want a little bit there. There we go.
I got some tools if you need.
Yeah, definitely a screwdriver.
Got a whole box of parts. Old KZ 750. One bike. Two bike. Yeah.
As long as it's within
Well, came to buy one piece of shit and got two.
Normally they'd be dripping by now.
Probably not. The thing's probably dry.
No, it is.
Milkshake.
Oh shit, that's gonna fill up quick.
Oh, you good. I think it'll be fine. It'll go down in that little gully right there.
It takes 3.5, almost 4 quarts of oil.
Alright.
This is Metal Rescue here. We're going to be putting it down inside this motor. If you look inside, it's clear. Okay, it looks like water. By the time we're done, this is going to be probably black. Probably black.
Probably black.
With all this shit.
Probably black. Funnels.
If you want to donate, feel free. We need shop rags.
Shop rags, you can drop them off.
Kitty litter.
Kitty litter. All kind of shit. Good old cue ball working hard on the videos.
Yep.
My boy.
Trying to upload this stuff.
Nice desk, bro.
You like that? That's a Snap-on knockoff.
Yeah.
Except it's not
$8,000. We should get a Snap-on sticker to put on this. Cover the U.S. General up. Harbor Freight.
We should.
Sponsored by Harbor Freight today, because everything we own is Harbor Freight. Lift, attitude, funnels, tools, boxes.
Hard to push around. Second gear is more of like push starting. You want to push start a bike. And then the higher you go, the easier, the less torque is required. Exactly. There's our snap.
All right, that's a wrap. We can go ahead and
2020.
2020. Go ahead and give this till tomorrow. Check it out, see what happens. Stay tuned for next week. I'll have an updated video on there, let you know what happened. Go ahead and get started tearing into this motor, get everything apart, do a little bit of rebuild on it, and go from there. Comment, like, subscribe. See y'all later.